The title of the song is Mama, and I wrote the song for my mom. And I feel like the only person that can understand how I feel right now is my brother, David Michael, who is here. And he's got such a beautiful idea for food technology, which will be coming your way soon on the stables of forage stores. And yeah, my mom has been our #1 support system for forever. And she has created an environment that is so conducive for us to build and to live our dreams, because we're not normal children in my family. And she's just been that person. So I wrote the song for her. Her name is Oluchi, and the song is for you, Mom. Enjoy.
Whisper to me so cool and nice. You make me feel so good all night. Mama di kwa mama, oh mama. Mami mani di kwa mama, oh mama. When I'm down, you give me life. Give me joy and peace of mind. Mama di kwa mama, oh mama. Mami mani di kwa mama, oh. I love the beauty in your smile, giving me loving. All I wanna do is making you happy. All I know is you, yeah. Oh, yo, mama, oh, mama, oh, yo. What did I go do for you, mama, oh, yo. What did I go do for you, mama, oh, yo. What did I go do for you, mama, oh, yo. What did I go do for you, mama, for mama. You've been there for me all my life. I no go ever leave your side. Mama di kwa mama, oh mama. Mami mani di kwa mama, oh mama. Now you I go give the whole world to, and I go always pray for you, yeah. I love the kids in your smile, giving me loving. All I wanna do is making you happy. All I know is you, yes. Oh, you, mama, mama, oh, yo. What did I go do for you, mama, oh, yo. What did I go do for you, mama, oh, yo. What did I go do for you, mama, oh, yo.